Myself Anju Padmanabhan and my batchmate B. Bhagilakshmi. We are from Vailtech Multitech Engineering College doing our final year. And we are presenting our final year project, that is rescue system using hand gestures. Here, in rescue system using hand gestures, we are using many sensors, different sensors to measure the parameters like heartbeat, pressure, temperature. Then we are using MEMS to measure the gestures, EMG to measure the myographic signals. These parameters are being monitored using a PC, and assigned helper will provide help to the elderly and disabled persons, which in turn will provide a voice command, an immediate voice command to take immediate actions by the persons who are wearing the sensors. In this way, we are providing a rescue system during hospitalization at the time of any disaster. The sensors we are using are, one of the sensor is pressure sensor. Pressure sensor is used to measure the pressure variations, and here we are using a blower. This blower will provide a pressure variation which can be monitored. Then we have the temperature sensor over here, which measures the various temperatures. Then this is the MEMS. Here we are providing two gestures. One is x-axis, normal, and y-axis. Then we have the heartbeat sensor. Here heartbeat sensor, we can place our finger over here and measure the heartbeat. Then we have the microcontroller. 8-bit microcontroller we are using here. Then we have the Zigbee. This is used for transmitting purpose. The other Zigbee is placed, which is connected to the PC via an USB connector. This is the USB converter which converts it to the PC. Over PC, we have the visual basics, these parameters in this manner. Based on the variations in the kit, measure parameters will be displayed over here. One of the main sensor is the EMG sensor that we are using. This we are using to place over the forearm to measure various EMG signals. Then the other part is the camera. This is a wireless camera used through which we can have a direct visualization of the patient. But with this camera, since it's wireless, we don't need any wire, and we have the receiver over here and a tuner to tune the camera settings. Then we have a USB driver which is connected to the receiver part of the camera. The receiver part contains a voice board. Here we have predefined voice commands which we have already set, and this is the speaker, and this is the speaker. Here we have the recorder, where we can record the commands which we require to provide them, and this is the output or the command we are providing to the patients for immediate action. As I have already told, the two gestures, if suppose the patient is showing his hand in this manner, it implies that he is suffering from some kind of chest problem. So this indicates that a patient is having chest problem, and an immediate voice command will be provided from the voice board, and to take immediate action regarding the chest pain. And if suppose the person is about to fall, then he is provided with the command to sit straight. In this manner, we are placing our EMG sensor, that is red, black, and then white. This is for the movements, that is one fast and one slow movement, maybe that is in the way contraction and relaxation. When we are moving, when the patient's hand is moved fast or slow, that is contraction and relaxation, the values varies here, that is EMG. If suppose if it is below 65, the voice command will give a command as sit, and if it's above this given value, it may give as stand, and this is an immediate action provided to the patient to take care. Then we are providing heartbeat sensor, blood pressure sensor, and in heartbeat sensor, when the patient places his finger in the heartbeat sensor, a variations is shown and his heartbeat is being measured. That can be displayed in the LCD over here. This is all about our project. We provide our sincere thanks to our internal guide S. Ambika ma'am and project coordinator S. Satish sir, and our head of the department Manikandan sir, and the entire group of Railtech Institute. Thank you.